How to delete all Gmail emails at once on iPhone and remove multiple mail. To remove all the emails and mails that you've received on a particular Gmail account on iPhone at once and removing them multiply, not one by one. We will not use the default mail app because the default Apple mail app is very limited. So what we're going to do is we're just going to launch a Gmail app and log into the appropriate Gmail account where we would like to get rid of the emails. So what we do is, let's say we want to select all of these emails at once. Or if you have other Google accounts as well, what you can do is you can tap the three lines option and select all inboxes. It will show you the emails from all those basically Google account you've added. Now just long press on a certain Gmail. You can either select them one by one like this, or you can see the option that says select all. So you can also tap the select all button. Now 50 will get selected at a time. You cannot select more than this. So at a time you can select 50 because 50 is going to get loaded up here. And then you can select that 52, then you can tap on that trash icon from the very top. Once you tap on that trash icon, all these emails are going to get deleted. By the way, they're going to remain in your trash, so until 30 days you have time to recover them if some of those emails, important emails, were accidentally deleted. I hope the video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.